The directive was to ensure that by the Deputy Secretary is that as much as possible, we go back to normalcy. So wherein learners will be back to their classrooms, so that learning will be interrupted for a longer time. And if there are things that we have to catch up, we will catch up. So that's it.
In addition to that, kasi I'm fortunate to really talk to the Secretary. Sabi ng Secretary sa akin, ensure the safety of our learners and teachers. Pero yun ang pangalawa yung sinabi ni Sir Christian na do your best na babalik na tayo sa normal, meaning to say, babalik na tayo sa face